So you probably clicked on this video because you are noticing vertical lines above your upper lip. These are called barcode lines, smoker's lines, lip wrinkles, lip lines, many names. But the most important thing is we have these lines, and you're probably thinking that the only thing that can help you smoothen those lines is to get some kind of filler or to buy some magical serum that is going to make them disappear. And in this video, I'm going to explain why these wrinkles appear and what you can actually do naturally to fix this. And we are going to do 3 techniques. The problem here is that products and fillers don't address why these wrinkles actually happen, what's the root cause of these wrinkles. And if you go the route of injectables, then you will be bound to, forever maintenance of keep getting appointments and getting injections into this area to try and make it smooth or keep it smooth if it works. And so the natural solution that I'm going to offer you in this video is going to help you avoid extra money, extra trips to a salon to get these treatments done. And it's going to give you amazing results at home. Okay, so let's talk a little bit anatomy. So your lips are framed by a round-shaped muscle around your lips that is called Orbicularis Oris muscle. And I'm going to put a little graphic around so you can see what I'm talking about. And this muscle connects into the chin, into the cheek muscles, along the sides as well. Tension anywhere in the muscle surrounding the lips or in that muscle itself, the Orbicularis Oris muscle, is gonna cause that the muscle becomes tight and shortened, and then your skin doesn't have enough space to smoothen out over the area, and then it has nowhere to go, but it has to fold and wrinkle. Also, what happens is that over time with age, for everybody, the cheeks start to descend and move inwards. And obviously, when all of that tissue goes down and in, see what happens with my lips. All the tissue goes down and it just has to fold. What else it's supposed to do, So in order to help smoothen out these lines, we're going to do 2 techniques for the lips themselves to bring blood flow and to release the tension in this muscle around the lips. And then we're going to do also 1 cheek lifting technique, because if we lift the cheeks up, automatically the area around the lips is going to smoothen out as well. Let's start with our first technique for the lips. And this is one of my favorite and most simple techniques to release tension and begin to bring some circulation, blood flow. Your own fresh circulation is the best serum that you can have for your skin and as well as for the lips. So let's get that blood flowing. You're gonna take 2 fingers, doesn't matter if it's middle or index finger, and you're just gonna start pinching the area. And this can feel quite tight. You don't wanna just take tiny bits of skin. You really wanna grab the tissue, including that muscle, and you are gonna feel it. If you grab enough tissue, and you're here because you have some lip lines, I guess, so that means that there is tension in this muscle. If you didn't have any tension in this muscle, then you wouldn't have lip lines. So it can be that this is going to end up being a little bit tender or painful for you. And that's okay. We'll just pinch along. Today we're focusing on the upper lip area, so I'm not going to do the bottom lip, even though you can if you want. But try to relax your lips and just work the area between the nose and the lip. And then you can also pinch along the edge, the border of your lips as well. Nice. You don't need any oil for that. In fact, it's better if you don't use any oil. If you want, after you're done, you can apply some nourishing oil if you tend for dry skin. This is a technique that I really love, the pinching technique. Next, we're going to do a rubbing technique. So you're going to take your lips, hold them in like this, under your teeth. Then you're going to take your finger And with the side of the finger, we are going to rub along the lips, okay? We are basically almost like erasing the lines. Imagine it's like that. And again, this is really effective because it gets rid of the tension and increases blood flow. And feel free to move your lips a little to the side if you want to do a little bit of the corner of your lips as well. And you can go all around the lips, but we are focusing on the upper lip today. Bonus tip before we do the cheeks, to grab with your thumb and index finger. You're gonna grab your lip and basically stretch it. I know this looks a little bit rowdy, but trust me, at this moment your lips are like a scrunchie, you know, like one of these guys. Keep going. Like one of these guys. That's what your lips are right now. The tighter the ring is in the middle, the more this is scrunched up. So when we stretch out, then our lips can smoothen out again. Okay, so that's why we are doing all this work, and I can really feel the heat already on my upper lip. That's perfect. That's exactly what we want. So we were stretching. Just take and pull apart. And there are many more things that you can do to improve the state of your lips. And as you know, because I mentioned it in all of my videos, because it's so good, my 15-minute facelift system, which will give you a full face approach, because as I've just told you, it's hardly that you have a concern and it stops in that area itself. You often need to treat, always actually need to treat the whole face or specific areas of the face and specific areas of the neck and head to improve a specific concern. And I explain all of this inside the 15-minute facelift system. And so I invite you in, or feel free and very welcome to also just use my free videos here on the channel. Okay, let's get to our last technique, which is going to be about the cheeks. So we want to lift the cheeks up. So you're going to place your fingers on this bone around the eyes. You're resting your index finger there. And then from the bottom, you're going to start lifting up the tissue. And we are just going to kind of walk our thumbs up, up, up. And we want to make sure not to drag the eye down. Like literally your fingers are just resting here, the index fingers, and the thumbs are doing all of the work. Let's do the other side. There are many more ways of lifting the cheeks, but this would go beyond the scope of this video. I have another video here on YouTube for cheek lifting, and obviously inside the 15-minute facelift, I also have lots of techniques. So you choose where you want to go for more, but all of the links are down in the description to all my courses. And like this, for today, we're done with our lip routine. As a next step, I would recommend that you put on some serum, like a hyaluronic acid serum, something moisturizing nice, and then you can put some very nourishing cream or a balm. I'm not saying that products are useless and for nothing, because I say it often in my videos. Don't think that it's going to fix things, but it is a beautiful complement together with facial massage, to just improve skin tone, to nourish, and to prevent at least lines that come from dryness. But those normally are like very, very fine lines. And when you massage your face and the area around your lips, it's just so open and receptive to nourishment. So it's a beautiful moment to put some product on, but know that the majority of the transformation is going to come from the manual work, and whatever products you use are supporting that but cannot replace it. All right, so yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you come back to this routine often. You can do this every day, every 2 or 3 days, depending on how your skin reacts. If your skin gets too red with the rubbing and the pinching, then you can put a little bit of moisturizer just to give a little bit of glide. Otherwise, do it without oil. Let's say if you have an irritation, you want to wait for a couple of days and then try it with some moisturizer. And if your skin can handle it really well, the rubbing and the pinching, then you can do it even every day, and then you will see some results a little bit faster. Okay. If you have any questions, just pop them down below in the comments. I'm happy to answer. I always love reading your comments. It always cheers me up to read your comments, whether it's a question or just a nice thank you or a request for another topic. So yeah, looking forward to read you all. And until next time, bye bye.